Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5 on mobile. So let's get straight into it. So what you need to do is you open up your chart, and in this empty space just click on the screen, and this circle will appear. Now right here, more at the left side, you will see these three lines with dots. So click on that, and these are the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will see this countdown to bar close. So you need to enable that, and once you do that, you have add candle countdown timer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.